The first thing I did was connect the Walksnail VTX to a separate power source, a different battery from the one powering the car, and run a few tests to see how the video looked with the module mounted inside the car and also from the outside. That way I could compare both perspectives and get a better idea of what the driving experience would actually look like in FPV. From inside the car you get that realistic driver's point of view, but mounting it outside can sometimes give you a clearer image and a wider view of the terrain. So I spent some time testing both options, just to see which one would work best before installing everything permanently. Even though the view was much better with the camera mounted outside, the Walksnail VTX isn't waterproof. So I decided to mount it inside the car. But after doing that and running a few tests, another problem showed up. Of course, finding the right spot for it inside the car wasn't exactly straightforward. It required some hot glue and removing a few interior pieces, like the tiny rear view mirror, just to make room for the VTX. But the biggest problem showed up after I left the VTX running in that enclosed space. Even though outside it was around -1 degree, the VTX actually started to overheat.